Welcome stenographers. Today we are discussing lesson 8. We will today learn all the words of lesson 8 of Greg's Shorthand Book Anniversary Edition, Unit 8, page 39. Starting the lesson. Art, mar, arch, share, tart, dared, church, murmur, mer, murmur, then heart. All these videos are made just not for learning purpose. It is made how easily it is made for those who have done the book once and want to do it second, third, fourth, 15th, 16th time, and they want to know and they want to see how other people write their forms. It is for that purpose. All the videos in this playlist are for that purpose. Now starting the main thing. Heart, hard, hurt, heard, heard, earn, arm, army, harm. Next, urge, tear, dare, near, mare, manner, chair, jar. Better, later, sister, chapter, motor, cashier, minister, teacher. I have seen in the transcription minister comes many times, so I have started so I have started to make it like this. Above the line manner will be considered. There is line above the line manner will be considered as minister. For writing ministry above the line I will write like this: ministry. It is ministry, it is minister, it is ministry. Okay. Teacher. Next page. Tears, dares, shares, nears, stairs, manners. If you want any help, you can just comment. I will help you. Either, above, rather, love, collect, capital. Deal, real regard, company keep, become book, importance, important, necessary, yesterday, together, children, prepare, subject, opinion, then we have the word keeper, greater, dealer, beggar, then worker, smaller, former, sooner. We have completed lesson number 8. In the next video we will do lesson number 9. Thank you for watching. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Thank you.